Running a school today shouldn't be this stressful, but paperwork, long queues, and delays make everything difficult. Schools are still managing records manually, taking attendance with books, and spending too much time on processes that should be simple. But there's a better way. What if you could manage your entire school faster, smarter, and right from your phone? Introducing JestEdu, a complete digital school management system built for modern African schools. With JestEdu, everything is in one place. Track student attendance instantly using SmartFace. No biometric machines. No stress. Secure your school with smart gate control and visitor tracking. Automate your school bell and alerts with intelligent scheduling. Send instant SMS updates to parents, so they are always informed. Manage students, staff, and academic records with ease. Generate results, report cards, and transcripts automatically. Accept school fees through mobile money, card, or USSD. Run online classes, assignments, and exams from anywhere. Everything works together, seamlessly. Parents stay updated. Teachers work smarter. School owners stay in control. No more confusion. No more manual work. Just smooth, smart school management. Join schools across Ghana already using JestEdu today. Call or WhatsApp now, 0541709799, 0554356954. Visit www.getjestedu.com. JestEdu, smart school, smarter future.